Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com. On a Boxing Day, we're going to do some unboxing on Boxing Day. 2024 Topps Chrome Update Baseball, 2-box random team number 4 from a fresh case. Number 4, 5, and 6 will be from the same case. 2-box random team breaks. Yeah, chance to chase those MLB debut patches, and you could randomly get some of the bigger teams as well. So good luck everybody. Big thanks to this group for making it all happen. Then we got all 30 teams in right there, and let's roll it, randomize it, 5 and a 3, 8 times. Is Joe Jet? No, Rex must be lagging behind. You're going to hear me answer that question in a few moments. 5 and a 3, 8 times for the names and teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got Harry down to Will. And then 5 and a 3, 8 times for the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got the Astros, not the Austin Astros, but the Houston Astros, down to the Phillies. All right, so here's how it shakes out. Harry with Houston. Alan with the Diamondbacks. Will with the Rays and my Dodgers. Steve with the Cardinals. Will with the Pirates. Last spot mojo. Harry with the Reds. Will with the Giants. Harry with the Yankees. Matt with the Braves. Dylan with the Guardians. Matt Arnold with the Nationals. Steve with the Twins. Will with the Cubs and Blue Jays. Harry with the Marlins. Will with the Padres. Heath with the Royals. Matt Arnold with the O's. Will with the Brew Crew. Dylan with the A's, Harry with the Mets, Dylan with the Rangers, Heath with the Angels, Heath with the Angels, Will, White Sox, Rockies, Jazz with the Tigers, Will with the Red Sox, Mariners, and the Philadelphia Phillies. So it's alphabetized by team. And there you have it. We're going to pause the video for a little bit. When we come back, we're going to see if there's any trades. Then we'll have the break, so stick around. Be right back. We'll see you on the other side. All right, welcome back, everybody. No deals were done, so the list remains the same. Here on Thursday, the 26th, Boxing Day, doing a little unboxing on Boxing Day. I like that. Thanks again, everyone, for getting in. The next 2-box break is loaded up in the store. If you want to get the next one going, we could run one back tonight. We're going to go open it that way. There we go, empty box. All right, so we're doing 2-box breaks. So we'll roll the die. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the dice roll. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, middle 2. What's up, Will? What's going on? Yes. 2024 is Jackson Churio, Jackson Merrill are in this as well. So let me double check that. Yeah, the Jacksons are in here. Yeah, MLB debut patch autographs, Jackson Churio, one of ones. They're out there. And Jackson Merrill as well. MLB debut patch. I don't know if if any of those have been pulled already.
I didn't realize you left your job at the bank.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, last week.
Good luck.
Yeah, it was a gift.
We have suspects. I came by to share this with you.
Good luck. Ooh, that's a good question. Let me look at. I have the checklist open.
Albert McGlone.
No, I don't think John Elway is in this one.
We tied into bank job.
Is he in
North End at least.
draft? Maybe. Maybe.
He left you unharmed. Relationship about which you lied to the FBI. After all,
Season 17. Let's break. This is the splashiest season in history. And that is back. New season coming this December 8th.
Once again, gang, another 2-box break is in the store right now. Update hobby. One autograph a box, a lot of different parallels to chase, all that good stuff.
On the way.
Got it, thanks Rex. Yeah, Rex is saying Bowman draft.
Work on their best behavior.
And Bowman's best
They get
was pushed back a couple weeks ago.
in the Cole and the family. Mom
Oh, it's been pushed back a couple weeks. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but now it's the 15th of January, which is a bummer. I would like to have that Bowman's best in December, sooner rather than later. All right, box 1 of 2. Good luck.
we get it. It's hard to feel like the king of the jungle when your hair just isn't there.
We got Shota Imanaga, All-Star Refractor, and a Jackson Merrill Hyper. Going to Will.
America's #1 hair restoration experts gets your real hair back permanently. That's right, your real hair.
All my toddlers are hiding behind the list.
Restoration kit and a free gift card for $250 just by scanning the code. Guys all over the country hungry to get their hair back. Trust Bosley to get it growing naturally out of their head. You should too. Here's the best part. Bosley's permanent solution is protected.
So nice hyper parallel for Jackson Merrill. Again, that's for Will. Here's Imanaga for Will and the Cubs.
Let Bosley give you your real hair back and that roaring king of the jungle confidence.
And a Christian Yelich autograph. 41 out of 50 in that 1989 design. That's going to go to Will and the Brew Crew. Where there's a will, there's a way.
It's a recreational vehicle.
But he's using it for work, so it would be a
Point. That ride's too important to compromise on. And at Farmers
Got Future Stars, Jackson Churio for Will and the Brew Crew.
handsome devil is me.
And a nice Wyatt Langford Helix. That's a short print. That's going to be for Dylan and the Rangers. There you go, Dylan.
We get calls on all kinds of
I think these Helix cards look really sharp.
motorcycle accidents, slip and falls, work accidents. One big question is, how much is my case potentially worth?
If you or someone you know has been injured in an accident,
There's a Brian Ramos to 250. That'll be for the White Sox. That'll be for Will.
a free consultation now.
Call 800-921-7480.
I think we need a bigger yard.
And another autograph here. MLB All-Star Game autograph. So we got a bonus auto.
Credit Karma can show
Jose Ramirez.
for free. Then we can get a bigger yard.
That's also for Dylan. Cleveland, this is for you.
savory, juicy, and hold up. It's got
Nice.
Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning.
There's Wyatt Langford again. ML rookie debut card.
Zesty, ranchy perfection. Hidden Valley Ranch.
The Jackson Churio rookie debut card for Will. And Will also has the White Sox. Got a Jung-Hoo Lee, 1989. What's up, Gilo? What's going on? Rex is saying that Barry Bonds will be in 2025 Topps products for the first time since 2017. They had him as the image they shared was Giants, but no word on if there's going to be a Pirates edition. There's Jackson Merrill, rookie debut for Will and the Padres. Here's a base Jackson Holiday. It's going to go to Matt Arnold and the O's. Get a Wyatt Langford. Noah Shanuel to $3.99. Heath and the Angels.
It's never gonna be me and you and your sister and Shine playing house up there. All right? You gotta get that in your head. I'm tired of your one way. If you want to see me again, come down and visit me in Florida.
Rangers. It's gonna be Dylan. The Town on in the background. Great action movie. If you have not seen it, Ben Affleck, Jeremy Renner fighting. That would be Batman and Hawkeye fighting right there, if you think about it that way. All right. Second box. Next two box break in the store right now. JaspysCaseBreaks.com. It's on Paramount Network, The Town, but a lot of cursing in this movie, which I'm fine with, but makes the movie a little weird when there's a lot of bleeps. John Hamm's the FBI agent after Ben Affleck and Jeremy Renner. There's some other familiar faces here, too. Great Red Sox or Fenway Stadium robbery scene too. Will says the town is goated. Yeah, one great car chase scene when they're in the nun outfits, and the Fenway robbery scene. Yep, the nun. Yeah, we were just talking about that. That came up in the movie about 20-30 minutes ago. But yeah, I think even film critics will say that that's probably one of top 10, maybe top 5 car chase scenes in movie history. Yeah, Rex mentioned that earlier, Paul. He wants the same amount of years as what Steven Strasburg got with the Nationals a little while back. It's like a 7-year deal.
Shots out again. You guys run numbers and pump dope. You're all there with the face with all those glory days behind you, mate. I'm working for you. Got it? You got a problem with that? I live at 551 Bunker Hill Street. Stop by anytime. You know where to find me.
You're gonna do this for me. I'm gonna clip your nuts. I'm
Here-
gonna clip your bellies.
Here's a rookie debut, Jackson Holiday. Orioles, Matt Arnold. And a base Jackson Churia for Will.
Years. Then he wanted his own thing.
Gilo's also seeking $245 million, as am I. I'm actually chasing $1 billion.
You kill the horse with a knife or with the chemicals. And your daddy said no.
Here's Nasim Nunez to $299.
The chemical way. Gave your mother a taste. Put the hook into her. Now she
So Gilo's seeking 240. What can you do, Gilo? Can you throw a ball, a small round sphere? Can you throw that at a high velocity
tell his son that he was looking for
and consistently? There's Kerry Carpenter autograph. Nice one for Jazz and the Tigers.
She ain't in it. Oh. Maybe you got a nice, sweet new girlfriend. Lives on the park. I don't want to send her a funeral arrangement to your house. But I will if I have to.
Jackson Holiday 1989 refractor. There's our first Skeens for Will, just base Skeens. You're pretty good at Excel sheets, though. Unfortunately, Gilo, so are a lot of other people. Millions of people.
Okay? Hold on one second.
Hence, no one's going to pay $245 million for your services.
Myself first, okay?
No, you're out of the chance.
Who talked to you?
The FBI, Doug.
You have to listen to me. You have to let me explain this. You understand? There's a lot going on here, Clay. Easy.
Why did you do this to me?
Clay, I'm sorry.
And Wyatt Langford there.
I was gonna tell you. I
Michael Kopech, Cole Keith. It's a rookie debut for Dylan.
To terrorize someone, you have to
Listen to me. Calm down.
Got another lava lamp. 13 out of 15. Steven Matz for the Cardinals. Will be for Steve H. Clappin' Sheets is your nickname. Interesting. There's Ellie Dela Cruz, rookie. And PCA. All right. Some decent stuff. Nothing too crazy. We did get that bonus auto. But we're still hunting for big fish in this Topps Chrome update. This was Random Team 4. Random Team 5's already up. I'm Joe, and I'll see you next time for that one. JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Bye-bye.